Hello students, in this video we describe the characteristics of PN junction in forward bias and reverse bias. These forward bias and reverse bias are named depending on the polarity of the cell or battery we connect to a PN junction. Suppose you are connecting the positive type of semiconductor to the positive terminal of the battery and negative type of semiconductor connected to negative terminal of the battery, then such a configuration is called forward bias configuration. Now we will see what happens in forward bias PN junction. We know that earlier, because of this junction, electrons which are present on N side cannot diffuse easily to P side as they have to overcome this potential barrier. But when the PN junction is forward biased, then these electrons these electrons are accelerated or gain more energy because they are connected to negative terminal of the battery, and it pushes more number of electrons. Then the electrons immediately join with positive atoms. This is called electron atom negativity. Then because of that region, this positive charge on N side reduces. In a similar way, negative side on P side also reduces. As a result, the whole potential barrier reduces. The depletion layer thins. When the depletion layer width is decreased, then the electrons on N side can easily diffuse to P side. In this way, electrons continuously diffuses to P side, and after entering into the P region, they are attracted towards the positive terminal of the battery. In this way, the current passes due to majority carriers continuously across the junction because of flow of electrons. This current is called forward current because the PN junction is forward biased. Here you can see in diagram. So the moment as you are increasing the voltage, initially you can see very little amount of current because during this the depletion layer width decreases. But when depletion layer thickness reaches some level, then the electrons can easily diffuse across the junction and give us a large amount of current for small increase in biasing voltage. This is the characteristics of forward bias PN junction. In this, it can act as a switch as on, which gives the current flow. Now we will see what happens when a PN junction is reverse biased. When a PN junction P-type semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of the battery, and N side of semiconductor is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Such a configuration is called reverse bias. In this, if you see here, these negative electrons are continuously attracted towards the positive terminal of the battery. As a result, these electrons continuously come out of the semiconductor material and enters into the battery. Then the semiconductor material has lost one electron. When this lost electrons, it builds up a positive charge continuously. As you can see here, on N side, positive charge is built up continuously. In a similar way, on P side, negative charge is built up continuously. Because of this charge build-up, then the depletion layer width increases. Depletion layer width increases. When the depletion layer width increases, then no current on electron can diffuse to P side because as it has to come across all this potential barrier, it cannot enter into P side. So in reverse bias, no current flows through the junction. In this configuration, the PN junction acts like a switch which is in off state. You can see here as you go on increasing the biasing voltage, you can see no sub increase in current, only a small current due to minority charge carriers you can see. But when the biasing voltage is sufficient, then a reverse current rapidly increases due to breakdown that we will study in another video. Here, this PN junction has so many applications in electronic devices as a switch. When the PN junction is used as forward bias, it acts as a switch which is in on state, and when it is used as reverse bias, it is acts like a switch which is in off state. And PN junction can also be used as rectifier. Rectifier means which converts an alternating current to direct current. PN junction is also used in transistor which are used as amplifiers. Thank you.